Redstor as a partner has been phenomenal. Redstor as a product has been great. We've had a lot of great experiences with them. We've had a couple of roads we've had to traverse, but I think the Redstor team has always been there and diligent and willing to assist us. And I think that's one of the key things you look for in partnerships when going with a product to market, to make sure that you are investing in something that you can rely on and that your customers can rely on, so that ultimately you can deliver a service and not have to look over your shoulder all the time. So hats off to the Redstor team, and I think Redstor is a great product and something that will grow globally very well. We find that the multi-tenancy is great. Being able to not have to manage multiple environments and have one view to all your customers in the multi-tenancy functionality has made it a lot easier for our technical teams to deploy, interface, manage, create notifications around issues that might crop up in backups or storage platforms. So yeah, we found it very easy to utilize Redstor's platform and to deploy that in client environments. Being able to access Redstor's controls for all our customers' management and setting up their necessary backups, as well as the ongoing maintenance thereof, has been a huge blessing to our business. It's created an ease of functionality, and the same kind of functionality is passed on to the client, who ultimately controls and manages their own backups unless they have asked for or we provide a managed service to them. So our clients have been very happy with their ability through a web GUI to manage their day-to-day backups. I think Redstor's pricing model has been very effective in the market. We've seen over the last couple of years in introducing this here in South Africa that we've had great traction from customers with a simplified billing model, being based only on the data set and not having to license servers and devices that you're including in your backups. We've also been able to keep a good overview of what customers are utilizing, how to build them, what the changes are in the environment. So yeah, we find it to be quite a simple and easy to manage interface, and it keeps a good record and control over our customers' environments. As our clients have started migrating more and more into the cloud, and the need for security and backing up their intellectual property has become more relevant to them, and manual processes are less reliable as they have been in the past, we find automation to provide not just backup, but the ability to recover, archive, and manage disaster recovery for our clients as part of their business continuity planning. The Redstor solution really has ticked most of the boxes for us and provides a solid product to the market that our clients can utilize with ease. I think one of the things we've enjoyed the most with Redstor and its team is their ability to assist us with qualifying leads and assisting with pre-sales. There have been a lot of initiatives and incentives for our sales team to ensure that they are motivated and part of the energy that Redstor is trying to push into the South African market, which creates a great co-selling experience. So we've been very privileged to utilize those platforms, as well as some of the referrals that they've passed on to us, to enable our ability to get this product into the South African market. With a lot of the larger accounts, the enterprise customers, we debate heavily the issues around intellectual property, data in motion, encryption, where does it get encrypted, who has access to the data, where is it hosted, data sovereignty. So I think it really comes down to each customer. We've seen some that are very specific around where their data sits and the data sovereignty and the ability for us to encrypt to make sure that the data in motion is secure. So Redstor has been able to help us with a lot of these elements, but again, it comes down to each customer and their unique requirements. But the beauty with Redstor is we've had a lot of functionality, and with him opening their data vaults here in South Africa, we have thereby been able to tick a lot more boxes with the customers that require their data sets to be secured and encrypted here in South Africa. I think from day one of the most important selling points for us with our clients has been around the ability to recover their data and guarantee that in the event of a ransomware, that as long as we've isolated and back the data up off-site, we can guarantee a recovery for them. And that has been tested several times. We've had some unfortunate events where customers have been impugned and we've had to recover their data. And the Redstor product has worked very well for us in those instances. I think one of the big selling points for Redstor is not just the ransomware guarantees, but also that we've had a great pricing from them, the ease of installation, ease of management, really the functionality around that. And as Redstor has developed this product over time, things like adding in the Office 365 and SharePoint backups, those are great changes to their product set that allow us to keep adapting to the market as the market changes. So I think as an all-round product, Redstor has been a great partner to us, and we find this to be a great product for our clients.